Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? Today is December 11th, 2020, and the market is officially closed. So let's go ahead and take a look at what has happened over the week. So last week when we were on here, we were looking at the S&P, and we had put a new level on there for it to get to around 3,800. So the market took a little bit of a dip from the beginning of the week, and it is now hovering near its 20-day moving average. So it should try to bounce off of there and continue its momentum higher. So I'm looking actually for next week to push back towards the highs that it had created this week around that 3,700 area and take it out. So that is my prediction for next week. So let's take a look at how IWM performed for this week as well. So IWM, it made highs as well and is tracking along just fine. So you see the 20-day moving average is coming up to it, and it closed around 190. So I'm looking for that to also continue next week to take out the highs that it had created. 192.81 is the current high. I'm expecting this to continue to move higher to get to at least 200 before it starts to try to back down again. We have the Christmas rally more than likely getting ready to continue, and hey, money has nowhere else to go. So that is as simple as I can tell you. Remember, if you have any questions, hit me up. That's at Wincrease Team on any social media. That's also, you can hit me up on email. That's at wincrease20@gmail.com. So we'll check up with you later. Y'all have a good weekend, and hopefully you got all your Christmas shopping done. If not, get it in. It's free shipping. We'll check you later. All right, peace.